with Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Oh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Streams starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq valley. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Average volume of 400,000, which is what I look at. Okay, it should be easy. Duplicate, new tab. Come on, boom, boom. That's easy enough. Greater than goes down to less than. And this one, the open has to be greater than the low. Open 0 greater than the low. Open 0 greater than high, low. Okay, that's enough. Draw a line, edit, and start is the same. No, start is not the same. Set.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. The market's open. The low. Okay, and here.
Skeletor, good morning.
It's positive. Input series. Low. Close. Low. 2 minutes. I'm only going to get half done. Band ticks lower. Set. Band ticks upper. Okay. Evening period. Okay. Okay. Shit, damn.
Trade like a pro, good morning.
No way, it's the same thing. Duplicate new tab.
My mic's not wanting to stay upright. Anybody got a flathead screwdriver? Can I borrow it? I mean, I got one somewhere, but I'm busy. I don't want to look for it.
I made it. I made it. Good morning, Skeletor. Oh, come on, fast. Fast. I have to apply my bot.
What we got? 1 minute to open.
Yeah.
You do analysis?
No, I didn't have time.
Let's do it. 1 hour. Still making lower highs and lower lows. So we're still in a downtrend. We are at an area of support. There's always areas of support, right? We are also at the bottom of the value area of this range. So, a lot of support areas down here. See where it goes. Also wanted to point out, I've been wanting to tell y'all, show y'all, but I don't remember if I ever do it. My memory's horrible. Yeah, we got this kind of sideways action we've been in forever. You can see past those draw lines. I don't have time to remove them. Kind of go sideways, fail to make a new high. Look back at other times it's done that. One there, big dump. Down here we had Failed to make newer lows, big push up here. Failed to make new highs, going sideways, big dump. I think there was one more. And a one right there also. We're just pointing out a repeated pattern. Doesn't mean it has to do anything, but a repeated pattern. And market open. Also, if you look once again in the news section, you will see that headline news again at 10 o'clock. Fucker's gonna drive me crazy. Yes, you all guessed it. Supreme Court is gonna look at tariffs again.
Today?
Again.
Yeah.
Whatever that means, right? I don't freaking know. I'm tired of this tariff stuff. Rule one way or another.
Okay, why isn't my thing showing?
Hopefully you have it tucked away in your pants.
That's not what I mean.
Yeah, she gonna get mad at you showing your thing on stream. Nice push up off those lows there.
Yeah.
Just push up, came back, tested it again. Strong push. One back. We are at a 2 minute. Probably a 5 minute, but I don't have it open. Also, gap. You working on over there?
Oh, just trading. Oh, what? That's what I was saying before. Sorry, you know me, the open. Let's get the results up here. Edit account, add, always on top. Let's see if we can do some good recovery on the bot.
I got mine buying the low.
Giveaway. Sorry.
Don't you love it? Don't you love it when you do analysis and you're like, this would be a great spot to buy, and the bot's like, I'll sell it. Fuck it.
I thought you were going to say the opposite. Don't you love it when it's a good spot to buy and
the bot sells? That's what I said.
The bot buys. And no one listens. That's what I was going to say.
We're listening to. Listening to a song right now.
It is very cold in the basement. Every time my son works, I'm cold. I have to freeze. It's no fair.
Why do you have to freeze?
Why do I have to freeze? Because he's in a very small office. If we turn the heat up, it becomes
You don't have blanket?
a blanket. You're so cute. If we turn the heat up, it becomes a furnace in the room he's in. And I'm in a large room with not the greatest insulation. Actually, the big problem is we have a fireplace. And somehow underneath it, cold air slowly comes in from the outside. I don't know, maybe that's some kind of damper. But
help me out. I'm just thinking blankets, jackets, heater.
Yeah,
heater,
I got a sweater.
Sweater, heater.
I brought a sweater down.
They have those little personal heaters, man, you put right beside you. Now, nowadays, you have heated gloves.
Yeah,
like
I don't like those heaters that...
Super thin heated gloves that you can, like, work with and stuff.
I don't like the heaters that you put right beside you because it heats up the air that you're in.
Mm-hmm.
But as soon as you walk out of that circle, it's like you just walked outside.
Yeah, they're supposed to heat up the air you're in. Mm-hmm.
I like to heat up the whole room.
That you're not in.
Not just the little dome that I'm sitting in.
Yeah, I'm gonna ditch this trade. It got most of its profit, and I don't like it keeps bouncing around the tape profit. I'll sacrifice 3 points.
Good morning, Mikey. Imagine the dude who got robbed. Some guy named Philip.
Is it cold there? Well, I trade like a pro. You talking about me or Mike? Because I live in Florida and Mike lives in Canada. So yes, it's probably really cold where he lives. Me? Shit, what is it?
You talk to a Canadian?
Where's my thing at? I don't see none of my temperature things. I don't even know. Hold on. 52. It's 52 where I'm at.
It's 52 and delicious. That's what it is.
Mike's in Celsius, so we don't ever know when he tells us how cold it is. But if I was guessing, it'd probably be around 15. Got a good guess?
No, minus 10.
In Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Celsius.
Yeah, I was trying to guess in Fahrenheit.
Yeah, I don't know the Fahrenheit numbers. With that.
I mean, I know it's freezing, so it's under 30. I'm gonna guess around 15. It's just a wild guess. There's like there's nothing backing it up. It's just
a random guess.
It's just random. Like it's not like a hypothesis or anything. It's just random out your ass guess, I guess.
Mm-hmm. That sucks.
There it is. Call you that time, fucker. Ooh, that'll work. Live a little. It's a bit late though. Yeah, fucker. Yeah, trade like a pro. This guy lives in a freezer. I couldn't do it.
Why are you not short? You should be. Oh no,
I am short. Why are you not short?
No, why the system is not short. I see why it's not short.
Problem is, I don't even want to be short. Does anybody? Do we not see that we're pushing up? We have these gaps. We're trying to go that way.
You got a view up down there also though.
No, nobody fucking listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Mm-hmm.
Do it. Give me my money. Just so we're clear, I didn't want to take any of those trades. The bot made me do it.
Do we get a bounce off VWAP, or do we just continue to go through it and we trade sideways again? We still haven't taken out the pre-market levels.
Nice second
Highs
entry
or
once
lows?
again. I've been missing these second entries past few days. There it went. That would have been trade close there. Still got most of it though. I think I did pretty good. I got all the benefits, took none of the drawdown. Most of the benefit. I didn't get all of it. Most of it. For a trade I didn't want to be in.
All the benefits. Ah, you're so funny.
I gotta get it to draw flags or arrows or whatever. Because it's not actively in the trade. It doesn't show it.
Stupid. Didn't I do synchronize? Yeah, synchronize. Submit and synchronize.
Thing is that the second entry, that's the sweet spot. Like that's the one you want to be in. If I'm not in the trade, I can't see the second entry. I got to get it to put flags or something.
So you know what I had to deal with yesterday? Like a schmuck.
Hold on, wait. Is it James's fault? Didn't y'all go for pizza?
Yeah,
James,
no,
what did you do?
Well,
Huh?
I clicked update on NinjaTrader on my laptop. And then
What a stupid thing to do.
I entered in the world of, uh-oh, I shouldn't have done that. So it updates, and then I load NinjaTrader, and all it's doing is spinning.
Yeah, mine keeps saying.
Now it's not spinning; it's the N. The N paints,
Yeah.
it goes away, and it paints the N, it goes away. I said, "Wow, okay, maybe it's going slow." I left it. I went upstairs, came down an hour later. The N was still doing it.
I get the thing every morning. It's like update NinjaTrader. I'm like, I don't know about that.
Say no. Seriously, I don't know what they did. I don't even have it.
They're supposed to have a lot of new cool features, though. Like in the coding department, they're supposed to have new ways to code. Supposed to have new features. I don't know. I had it one time when I was fighting with my computer, but then I deleted it as soon as I had it. My problem is all the work you have to go through if you don't like the update or something's not working properly.
Mm-hmm.
You basically have to uninstall NinjaTrader and reinstall it and hope that you still have the things that you want. Isn't that a terrible system?
Yep.
Way to not want people to roll back. Just read Mikey's comment about the screwdriver. All that work for a screwdriver would be outbranded by a dude named Philip. Think of all the work it took to come up with a Phillips screwdriver, and then everyone's like, that's pretty cool. Like, what are you going to name it? Like, shit, I don't know. What should I name it? Anybody? Name it? Well, hurry up, run out of time. Well, shit, we'll call it Philip. Then they released the Phillips screwdriver, and all the guys named Philip got to run out and buy one real quick.
Funny when I say it, though. I don't see it as a name.
What if the guy's name was something like Mike or something, or Mikey? Have you grabbed me a Mikey?
Yeah, then it would probably be different.
All right, pushing up. Good to see that at least my analysis was right also.
Likes are all cool.
They are, ain't they? Everyone I've ever met.
You've met people?
When I started streaming, I met this guy. He was cool and all. They told me his name was Mike, and I was like, fuck. Not again. Not again. So then I was like, I'll just call him the other dude. Then he got really mad for me calling him the other dude. I was like, fuck. I gotta call this guy something. I don't want to call him Mike.
I'm long. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. Go.
We need a poll. We need to take a poll. Like, has anybody ever met somebody named Mike that wasn't like a little cuckoo? A little?
Come on. Good morning, Bangs. Bangs, you're doing good. You're like in 4th or 3rd place already on Deal Me In. But it's not up now. Guess they can't all give you 50 points in one shot. You gotta wait for 50 points, eh? When you're trying for 50 points. Hey, remember Mikey and Omnius, we were talking about, well, the big move. Where do you take profits? So let me get up my rank.
Bangs, your name's Mike also? Holy shit. We got a gang of Mikes. Oh, God.
Check that Renko chart. It draws a line. That's 50 points. So I know where to go for where to look for 50 points. That's like a 50-point line in the sand. On that Renko chart there, down on the bottom left.
Hell yeah. Bangs, I was just joking about all those Mike jokes, okay? Don't take them serious. I mean, you can say you're not a little cuckoo, but we all know. We all know. Come on.
I'll stop. Last I knew, Trump was speaking. I don't know how long he plans on speaking, but, you know, Trump.
He likes to hear his voice, doesn't he?
Yeah. He likes to hear his voice, and who knows, he may just say something as a joke, be a shocker, and then I got to deal with it. The market drops 300 points. No, I'll put in a stop.
It's funny because people think that we see that nowadays, but we really don't. Like, you remember his first presidency? Like, I don't know who I was trading back then, but this guy would just say some random shit or like tweet some random shit, and the market would just like shoot 6% in one direction.
Yeah.
They called it the tweets of death. They had people trying to ban him from Twitter. Can we get this guy off Twitter? We can't do this. But it hasn't been that bad this presidency. I mean, he still does like some weird stuff, but the market doesn't react as violently as it did the first time.
It's a damn good thing you reminded me, because I forgot completely. So yeah, we were discussing when should we take profits on this system. And I think if we can move 50 points away from the bands that I'm using, that's definitely an indicator of time to take profits. I think that's better than basing it on how much you have, rather than basing it on how extended the market is. Like if I look down below, how far away did we get? That one's from the low, this is from the high. Let's say 201. This one went 70 points. So yeah, it does extend. It does go farther. It does go 70. I think I've seen 80. But in most cases, once you get around 50, like here's the peak, 256 all the way down to 197. So that's 56. That was 60 points. Once it gets about that level, it seems to top out. Cool observation, no?
I was listening somewhat. Sounded cool, but then I got thrown into a trade, so I had to manage the trade. Then I'm looking, it's not plotting didn't plot the take profit and stop loss, so I was kind of worried about that. Also didn't plot the area it's supposed to be. So I was kind of worried about that. So.
Yes, bangs.
I'm trying to say as I was listening, but I wasn't listening at the same time. But it wasn't my fault.
Never anybody's fault.
I didn't ask to be in the trade. I took most of it and jumped out. All right.
Bangs, 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 bangs. It's for 2 balls. You get 2 balls. You wrote giveaway when I wasn't streaming. There we go. There's the 50. Almost 50.
Trade like a pro trumps drama. Yeah. He loves the drama. I don't know if y'all know this, but I think it's all theater anyways. They're there to create drama, distract people. Hey, trade like a pro. You know that we're streaming in horizontal also, right? Didn't I see? I saw you in the chat. It's up to you, vertical or horizontal.
Yeah. I saw him in the. I see him in the. It was a while ago.
I just make sure he knows. Maybe he's out and about and wants to be vertical. I think I got like 4 streams going. I got the vertical and the horizontal, and then both of those have a auto vertical. So apparently I have a horizontal and 3 verticals going. What can you do, right? I don't like that auto vertical thing. Hope they fix that soon. But the good news is the auto vertical works great on a vertical stream. Kind of like doubles the vertical.
Is that even a thing?
Yeah, apparently I'm looking at it.
Double vertical?
Double vertical, yep. Does the vertical stream, then it mirrors it, and then it puts them both out. And then it puts both chats in the same spot. Watch it on your phone, so vertical works great. Awesome. Like to see somebody getting benefit out of it. Awesome. That actually works out great because people can watch when they're out and about. All right, what we got? I think the bot's done for the day. Never did draw my lines. Another error. Error. One day, about 10 years from now, I'll have all these errors taken care of. Then there'll be new errors. I'm just saying, I'll have these taken care of.
Fill me.
Did it.
Be a 1.
So weird because it didn't draw any of the lines.
What a bugger.
What a bugger. What happened?
Oh, working on counter trend trade strategy. And of course, you think it worked?
What's the opposite of diamond hands? That's what I got.
Good hands.
What I got? Omnius hands.
And go with good hands. Or as my daughter says after I go to the bathroom, Dad, go wash your hands. You got penis hands.
Is that what it is? Penis hands or shitty hands?
Penis hands.
In my defense, though, the majority of my trades take seconds. So, to me, to be in a trade longer than seconds is already abnormal. So, it doesn't feel right. And it's just, I don't know, how do you say it? Like I want to show up every day. I want to do the same thing over and over, and I want it to be kind of repetitive. So when something's different, it's already giving you anxiety, right?
Can you pass a Bullinox in one day? An eval, you know?
Can, yes.
Really? They don't
Yes.
have
No.
either a consistency or a 5-day
No,
trading
remember
rule?
I full ported that one in one day. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Actually, I full ported quite a few bull nuts. Also, just to clarify, I can have diamond hands also, because I do also swing trade and invest. And even my bot strategy is more of a diamond hand strategy. But my daily trading strategy is not, so I can't hold that very long. Why you gonna full port Bullinox?
No.
Trade like a pro, man. I know why you guys don't trade gold. Trade like a pro. Mike trades gold sometimes. Some of the other guys on in the chat, they also trade gold. I actually hear a lot of people talk about gold. I know gold's a lot more popular right now because it's straight up to the moon. So everybody's thinking about it. But the simple answer for me why I don't trade gold is because I like to just stick with the NQ. I like to have that one instrument that I can show up and day trade every day. I have too much other stuff going on in life to try to figure out which instrument I'm trading today. Plus, when you trade one instrument day after day, you kind of get used to that instrument. Just like, say, you play one guitar day after day. Like, I've got like 10 guitars, but I play one because that's just the one you're used to. That makes sense. I mean, I could trade gold. I mean, I would have no issue. I actually have it on my chart right here. It's up almost 200% since 22. For those that don't know, gold actually went sideways for many years. Was it 20 to almost
Broken 2 rules this morning, paid for both. Dumb.
almost 20 to 23? Gold just went sideways. Then it skyrocketed to the moon. At some point, the party's going to end. But I will say the last party went almost 700 points. Or percent, 700%. This one's at about 200, so could have a long ways to go. What happened?
It made a burst up. I'm holding a long, and it didn't go through my take profit, but it pretty much touched it. There we go. Okay. We got out.
You seeing a measured move at 25,360?
Markets don't want to go down, eh? The buyers are hanging strong. Sellers are there now a little bit, battling it. When do the buyers give up and say, you know what, let's take profit?
That's why I said we're coming up to a measured move, so some people are going to be looking at that. All right, 10 o'clock. Who knows what the news is going to come out. Whatever it does.
Boosh, dump. Really does look like it's trying. We just need. I did it again.
Trade like a pro. I take it you like trading gold?
Go up.
Some people like to trade multiple instruments. I don't know. I just like having one. Some people like ES. Some people like NQ.
Tell me when the volume looks like it's shifting down. Give me that inside information.
Trade like a pro. You trade gold only. Some people love trading gold. I mean, Mike, what was that one that you was looking at a few months
Frozen
back?
again. Check out the apex, how it freezes, eh?
Was it RTY or something?
Yeah, and the Dow YM.
The Russell? Was it RTY?
Yeah, the Russell. That's the way. You are due for a 2.
Sometimes you look at these other ones and they look so great and the grass looks so much greener on the other side. But in reality, if it was, everybody'd be there, right?
Mm-hmm.
The NQ's the one that's a little bit crazy at times, but what keeps it fun and interesting, I guess. There's your dump you was looking for.
Yeah.
You get it?
So what is it with Apex that just keeps freezing? It froze again. I have no data coming in, nothing. Apex never had a problem with that.
I'm confused. You're saying Apex is freezing, but then you just said Apex never had a problem with it.
Yeah, they never had a problem with it. So what's with Apex?
Am I on Apex?
Always freezing.
No, I'm on Bullinox right now. Skeletor's saying that his Apex working good.
That's twice. Rhythmic, I'm on Tradevate. That's twice. Completely froze.
Probably Ninja Trader since you updated it. I hate updates.
No, that was on the other computer.
Anybody ever gotten an update and was like, man, I really love this update? I hate it on my phone. I hate it on my computer. I hate updates everywhere.
My wife is cursing out an update.
Especially if your phone gets like 2 years old. You ever notice that like 2-year update? When everything works great and then all of a sudden your phone don't work anymore.
Mm. I try a couple of times wealth chart, but man, it's like something missing. I don't know. Yeah, I don't. I remember when I was trading wealth chart. Oh, I was cursing it out.
Is that with
One thing that I hated about it was the delay.
Is that with Apex?
Yeah, it's like you click, it registers. You click, it registers. Like, really? I can't trade like that. You know, it took so long, I don't even know if my orders were in. Come on, you know you want to go lower. There's really no selling, since the after the first 15 minutes. It's been all up. Been up, and away. How come you got wealth charts, Kelly? Just figured you'd try it out. I don't know. It was a curse for me. I hated it. Wow! Look at the trade the bot is holding. How far away are we from the 50 line?
I'm interested to try the difference on what NinjaTrader has as far as NinjaTrader prop versus the regular NinjaTrader. Anybody have the NinjaTrader prop? Are they going to give a full license of NinjaTrader, or what are they doing? When I was first talking about it, they was acting like you can get a full license plus Trade of 8. And I seen they came out with the Trade of 8 prop also. What does that mean? Is it separate? Is it together? And it was all supposed to integrate with TradingView also. This acts like it wants to dump, but they're still holding it up.
Okay, still made some nice recovery. My bot would have crushed it. Did I tell you the story? Would have crushed it overnight. I think got a 200-point winner. But it actually ended up being a loser because the platform closed, and it closed just before the position would have reversed. And it was about at break even at the time. Maybe a small loss. Oh well. I don't know. And I was on sim. Doesn't matter. But it does open my eyes to the fact that, like, how do you run a bot, let's say overnight or something, especially one that goes for larger moves? You need a way to monitor and be notified if your platform stops transmitting data, or if your platform freezes. You drink coffee. Well, charts. I still have them just because we knew a month is $15. Now, wow, you drink coffee and stay awake with it. No.
Nah, it's too miserable.
No, Mikey.
I used to do that with the strategy. It was terrible.
No. If you watch the overnight stream, anything from like 10 o'clock at night down till 7 in the morning, the charts are live, the bot is live, but the host, me and Omnius, that's a recording. Like I'll probably clip out today's recording and use it tonight. Yeah, through the night it's a recording, so if you talk to us, we won't answer you.
I used to have a strategy on TradingView, and they'd send me alerts. I'd take the alerts, and I'd go buy TQQQ or SQQQ. Wife hated it. Be waking up at 3 in the morning.
Yeah, it's terrible.
I'll be back. Especially the nights that it would like take the trade and then it would like stop out quickly and then jump right back in another trade. Like 3 o'clock, 3:30. Okay, I'll be back. 4 o'clock. I'll be back. Motherfucker.
Well, you can automate with Python. I have Python starting my stream and ending my stream for the overnight stream. And eventually I'm going to get it to do more, but I can probably figure out a way to get it to monitor it, at least that there's a connection. I'll GPT it. There's probably some tracking it could do, and then we'll do is, if it doesn't track it, it'll click on connections, disconnect, and click on connections and reconnect. But again, that's still not reliable. And you don't know now if your bot is enabled. You don't know if it's synchronized.
Yeah, Mikey, running any trades while you're trying to sleep scary. Because anything could happen. I mean, you don't know. Maybe your stop don't work.
If you saw it in the thousands, that was from last night. We're recovering very nicely. Oh, it was a huge winner. Here, let me show you the Renko. Let me tighten it up. Okay, you got the Renko there, bottom left. Let's go to 10 o'clock at night. I started streaming around here. So it entered in a long. Is my cursor showing? I don't know. Hold on. Let me press it a little more. Around here, it entered into a long. I don't know when we lost. Okay, so this is where I was long. I don't know where it got disconnected, but there would have been a couple of losing trades here, but very close, not large losers, 15 points. And then this is obviously around somewhere where we got disconnected, and I was long. Okay, I was long above the bands right there. Should have gone short right here, but it didn't get that trade. Right there, it should have gone short. Look what happened. And it holds the whole move. And I got up at 7 in the morning. So that was like 200 points. 200 points. And it would have been in a 10 lot. So it would have been like $4,000. 4,000 positive instead of 2,000 negative. Why 4,000 positive instead of 2,000 negative? Because it was only in on a 5 lot, half size on the long. It would have been full size on the net. But anyways. And so far, what did we catch? We caught no trade here, small loser. And now I think it's been long and taking long since 9 in the morning. And catching, it caught that. Caught probably a nice short. Lost over there. No trade, no trade, no trade. Would have lost over there, but now it's holding a nice long.
Trade like a pro. You should be fine in horizontal or vertical, whichever you want. Shouldn't matter. He wants to know if he's got to be in horizontal for the giveaway.
No, you can be anything. You can be in the vertical.
You out on the go and you like the vertical?
Just not diagonal.
Yeah, just can't be diagonal. I don't know. This gold is just kind of going sideways, isn't it?
The one last thing, Skelly. I do take profit because you say, I'm showing you where it's long. It's long from 25,200. But you say, hey, wait a minute. Now your long is 25,299. Because when it gets to the top of this blue bar here, I coded in a blue bar. That means it's too extended. I take profits. Then when it comes back, I get back in. When it comes back to the bands, I get back in. It goes back above the blue bar, I get back out. So I'm kind of working it manually also a little bit. Like right now, it's got a $300 profit, and we just got to the top. I don't know if you can see. We just got to the top of the blue bar. If I wasn't yapping, I would have taken it. That would have probably brought it almost to break even. And when we come back down, I would have synchronized it and got back into the position. The bot is long. The bot is long, always going to be long until it gets under the bands.
Huge delta spike right there. The
Yeah,
bulls,
which way?
the buyers couldn't hold it. Does it mean?
I don't know.
Oh, shit. Didn't realize the ATR was so high.
There we go. We're out. We recovered. We're down 880.
I got in. My stop loss looked like it was so close. I'm like, damn. Trying to get stopped out.
So I'll put the bands, put the wrinkle back up. We'll put the bands back on the chart. Why is the wrinkle not showing the whole chart? It's kind of weird.
Salute. Mikey's telling you to do a salute.
There's the wrinkle chart, the whole wrinkle chart. So there's that blue line in the sand. The blue line in the sand. So if we get down to the bottom of it, where it's touching the bands, maybe 70% down to the bottom of it, I'll click synchronize, and it'll put me back into the long, because as I said, the bot is always in the trade. It's called the big move. Hey, Alex M. How's it going, Alex? Salute.
Oh, man. Just remembered something. Didn't want to remember. My Apex was a little in the red this morning, last night. All right, I gotta go refill a drink. Be back in a minute.
Mm-hmm. Still not enough for me to get in. Maybe around the 330 area, I would consider resyncing, getting back in with the. See, that's the reason why I don't like the big move TBM, because look how much you would give back before you get out of the trade. It could theoretically give back like 75 points from the high to where it would exit the trade. That's a shit ton of points to give back out. To give back up. From the high water mark I'm talking about. That's also why it's not good to use a big move type of strategy with trailing drawdown, because you're burying yourself. You end up taking a trade, you made 100 points, but you gave back 75. And then you have a couple of losers and you lost your account. What? Wait a minute, I'm like break even for the day and I lost my account. So that's another reason why it's good. You get extended up to the top of that blue bar, take it. Lock it in. And then just get back in. Come on, a little more. Got my finger on the mouse. Get down. Wait, one more bar I'll get in. That's a good entry. Wow, the 1 minute doesn't even look like we pulled back at all. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Compress it like that. And Q, 5 minute. Compress it like that. First thing that I want to check are these two. kind of similar. If anything, this was the low on NQ. 1, 2, 3, but on ES, the second one was the low, so we can kind of hypothesize that ES is a little relatively weaker just based on that, but not really. ES over here, this consolidation after the expansion looked a little stronger actually. I'm up 1R, had been a good boy, I'd be up 2.5. Well, it can't always be perfect. And we learn from our mistakes. There we go. I like where we are. So I just resynced up the strategy. And the strategy is long again. Worst case scenario, Mikey wrist instead of diamond hands. Mikey wrist. Worst case scenario, we get below the band.
Is that what we're calling it now, Mikey wrist? That's funny. What about above the bands?
I was just saying that I resynced the trade, so it's back in the trade again. Worst case scenario, if we get below the bands, it'll get out of the trade, and if we run back up, it'll hold a nice trade.
Like, you ever eat these pretzel stick things?
My God, you're talking to Mr. Pretzel. I love pretzels.
And it's hard not to be a fat kid in life, isn't it?
I like pretzels. Not a lot of people make good pretzels, but I like pretzels.
They look very good.
I find a lot of companies make them too dry. We have a store here. It's called Bulk Barn. They sell a whole bunch of different kinds of pretzels. And one of them that they have is phenomenal.
That's why it's hard not to be a fat kid. Like, we try. We really try.
Soft pretzels are good. You have Aunt Annie's or Auntie Anne's soft pretzels over there? I know it was big in the U.S. for a while. Aunt Annie's, I think it was called. The soft pretzels they had. It was buttery and salty, and it was good. It was good.
God, you selling me on pretzels and I'm eating one. Mike, you used to be a salesman, didn't you?
The soft pretzels at the ball games, the hockey games, they're lousy. The ones you get in the malls are good.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Took a little piece off. We'll let the rest ride. We'll see if we can get extended above the blue line there. You know what? Maybe I'll stretch the chart up a little bit just for the fun of it for today. You know what's going to happen, eh?
Okay.
I'm going to show my Renko charts. My views are going to start to go down again. Nobody likes Renko.
Does anybody really watch the chart anyways?
Yeah, you're right.
I bet if you took a poll right now, how many people are actually watching your chart or my chart? I feel like it's less than 50%.
Oh, Mikey, if you're there, I don't know if you do coding, because I did see your picture there with your buttons and stuff. I'm a hella judging your charts. A really good system that I liked and I was running for a while is what I used to call the... Did we freeze again? Is what I called the band bounce. Is when you get above the bands and then you go into the bands, but you don't get below them. And then you get a continuation bar, you know, like, let me open up the chart here a little bit. Let me see if it's showing. There we go. So you came into the bands. There's your continuation bar. So that's your entry. It's a very low risk trade, especially if you're going to hold it for a big move, because the most you're going to lose is, I'd say max, if you're unlucky, 4 bars to get below the bands. And if you get below the bands, you stop out. And below the bands, I'm talking a full bar. Air. You need to see air. If you're touching like this, you can't say we're above the bands because you can't see it. And you shouldn't have to You shouldn't have to expand the chart like that to see it. You want to be able to see it clearly, easily, you know, in my opinion. So yeah, the band bounce, very good trade because you get a lot of them. You get a lot of bounces off the trade that continue, and you can only lose once. You can only change directions on you once. So there's a band bounce. Let's see if there's any others. Hold on, let me tighten it up. Right here you can see here's a beautiful band bounce. We got above. You can easily see. Oh, and I'm not even. The chart would normally have been bigger, but the reason why it's small over here, it's because it's showing the price. But anyways, now I can't move it. You got a band bounce over here. That would have been your long. And you got a nice move. So the risk to return on these, now we're below. Now we're below. But remember, it's got to have a continuation bar. So here it came into the bands, but we never got the continuation bar, so you never entered. Here, now you're looking to go short. You never got the continuation bar. This one got above. Now we're back in the bands. As soon as we're above, we're looking for a long. We went into the bands, but we didn't get the continuation bar, so we didn't get hurt over there. Same thing over here. Never a short. Over here, you would have had a long over here. That would have been your first one. The first one's always the best, by the way. Let me look on the long. On the long over here, your first one is either here or here, if I see correctly. It's hard to see. I can't get a close look because my order is distorting the chart, and I don't think I could. Maybe can I open it? I don't even know how to operate it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, these do not get you out. This is a full bar. Theoretically, you can say that's a full bar below the band, but there's no air. I need to see air. I need to see distance for me to say. So I'm still thinking long, and that's a band bounce. I would have gotten long over there. And that one went nicely. Again, it depends on how good you are at holding. Here, you get below the... See, this is the bar that makes you short. Not this one. Because there's air, there's distance. You can see something between the bar and the band. So you would go short over there. Even there, this is 20, 25, 30 points. Take partial is a very good idea. And yeah, that's something that I think we were. Oh wow, look what we got. We got almost up to the top of the line, to the top of the flagpole. I should call it the flagpole. I should put a little flag at the top of it. Let's take another one off. So that's. There we go. Yeah, I mean, you get some losing streaks sometimes, obviously, like every other system, where you take the trade, goes under, you take the short, goes above. But you can get an easy 3 or 5 to 1. Like I said, I'm using the pole here as my extension meter. So right now we're extended. See, we're above the pole. So I'm closing my trade. So let's see how many points. That would be boom, boom. Come on, go away. Let's see how many points that would be. We would get in over here. Here's the band bounce. You get in at 331 and you're getting out at 382. So it's 50 points. They're 5-point Renko bars. Well, I know. Well, I don't even know why I was telling you it's 50 points. Of course, it's 50 points. That flagpole is coded to be a 50-point flagpole.
It's funny because looking at my chart,
marker.
Same time you're explaining yours, and it looks like they touched the bands at around the same spot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's no there's no magic band. You just don't want it to follow price. Obviously, a 3-period EMA is going to be stupid because it's going to follow price like a snake. But I don't know, anything. The more you want to trade, the more aggressive you want to be. 21, if you want to be more conservative. 100 on an EMA, even 200. The farther you go, the larger the number of the bands, the stronger your system will be to catch big moves.
Now you can do the 1 minute, the 2 minute.
Yeah, no, he was talking about like the period for the bands.
Well, yeah, of course.
No, like a 200 period moving average, a 100 period moving average, not the time frame, not the 1 minute or the 2 minute. The
Yeah.
periods for the band.
No, I understood what you're talking about.
I mean, what is that band? What's it called? This one here is ADX VMA, I think. I like it because it smooths out. It's the, I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. What if I put it up here? Give me a sec. I'm watching my chart. Okay, you see it on the 1 minute chart, kind of near Omnius's head. It's called Lizard Indicators. It's free. I don't know where you can find it. Just Google it. Lizard Indicators, AMA, ADX, VMA. And I put it to a period of, sorry,
So
not three.
VMA is
Down
just
here.
a volume moving average.
And I put it to a period of 50. Yeah, but it's mixed with the ADX. The ADX is a measure of volatility, a measure of momentum, actually, to see if we're if there's momentum to the upside or not. So what I like about the ADX VMA is there's periods of when it just goes flat. You'll see that. You won't get that in the moving average, and I like that personality. It fits my logic, you know, like look how long it just went flat over here. Any moving average you would have had would have gone, you know, would have continued to slope down and then slope up. So this one is saying that there's no momentum anymore in the markets, even though price is below. It's telling me when I read it like that there's no momentum. When it's sloping up, it means there's upward momentum. So right now we're flattening out. Even though price is rising, that's telling me that the momentum is dying. At 10:30, we didn't get a 10 o'clock reversal. But I do this also with EMAs, like I said. And if I'm aggressive, I'll use a 50 period EMA. I get a lot more trades and I'll scalp for 3 bars or 4 bars. But if I want to go for the big move, the TBM, then I'll put in a 100 or more likely a 200. Because you really want it to stay on one side of the bands and just keep going. Because you're getting near it, you're getting in near the bands anyways. So, you know, the longer you can stay on one side of the band and just keep going, the better for the big move. The
Trade
TBM,
like a pro.
big move.
Not really sure what you're asking. Do you guys, as per ITC concepts? Am I ICT? I'm assuming that's what you're saying.
Yeah, he's probably asking if you do some ICT.
Yeah, it's all basically the same stuff. ICT just kind of rebranded everything.
But yes, who was it? I Trade Like a Pro that was asking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do have one setup that we focus a lot on. It's one where we basically sweep. Doesn't have to be a really significant high or low, but basically sweep a high or low. We're looking for a couple of conditions. First one we're looking for is expansion and a market structure shift. Well, that's number 1 and number 2. And if we see that, we're then waiting for a retrace to see how deep that retrace goes. We really want to see the expansion leave a bunch of clean fair value gaps. The retrace should be shallow, and then we look for an entry. We use either CISD or an inverted fair value gap, and we have a couple of videos out on that already. That's a setup that we look at often.
Intraday chart, so weird. Sometimes it'll show up on my stream and sometimes it won't. It's like, who even knows why? So weird.
Actually, we're looking to apply that setting to a time frame that, or a range of time that not a lot of traders look at, which is the pre-market range. Didn't happen today, but very often when you break the pre-market high or low, it's a phenomenal fade trade. But today it was just a never look back trade. And you know what? Garland Traders, if that's his name, is for his 5 minute retest. He didn't get a trade today. It just closed above and never came back. Not even close.
Guess we're not really doing many pullbacks today, huh?
Nothing. I guess they really like I need to load the Ninzarenkos.
We got one pullback, and it was at that resistance area, and then it just blew right through it. And
I don't know if it matters to you. I don't think it's that big of a difference. But the chart that you see there, it's a plain Renko chart. I have Ninzarenko charts also. I have one right over here. It's a Ninzarenko 4028. And you can see the bands. Same thing. We got above the bands. We dipped into the bands. That's a long. We were above the bands. We dipped into the bands. That's a long. You didn't get stopped out, and it went up. You know, like look how many times over here in this Ninzarenko since we went above the bands, came into the bands long. You can even add over here long, went up, long, went up, long, went up. So yeah, you can get when there's a decent trend, you can get 4, 5, 6, 7 winners. But I'll tell you again, the first one is the best one. But yeah, on a good trend, on a good strong trend, you can catch a bunch of winners. And my favorite ones are, well, in this case, no. Here you would have gotten short. Okay, short, and you're stopped out. So what do you have lost? 59, 80, 60. You would have lost 21 points on this. These are wide ones, though.
Trade like a pro says he watched some of your videos yesterday.
Okay.
Jimmy talking about your videos.
Yeah. I mean, take a look at this one. You go short into the bands. You never convert long. Short. Even over here, short. You know, you can set your conditions. Do you want to go halfway? Do you want to touch the most extreme one? When I really have to make money, I require it to touch the extreme one. The band that's farthest away, because that makes your stop the smallest. You know, like here's your entry, as opposed to one where
better risk to reward.
Unlike the one where you're just touching the close band and then you're entering over here. So that's a condition that I have. Not a condition, but you know, it's just something that I'm aware of. If I want it to be a much better system, better numbers, I'm going to require it to touch the furthest band before I'll take a trade without it changing directions. It keeps the losses smaller. If I'm desperate for trades and I want to be an active scalper, I'll only require it to touch the closer band.
Mike, I think if you ever wanted to slow down the amount of trades that you took,
Mikey, yeah, I'll get to you. Yeah, go Omnius.
I think you should add in the 2-minute chart, like I got for direction.
Okay.
Like use your setup with a 2-minute chart for direction. I think you'd cut down about half of your trades.
I'm curious. You know what? I'm going to put one up. Duplicate new tab. Okay.
Just do the regular 2-minute with the band.
And what band are you using? Just curious.
Don't matter, whatever you like. You can use the one you got there, or you can use the EMA, 50-period moving average.
Last minute.
Or you can use the Vidya band, which I guess you can't get that.
I'll go with 50. 21 on the 2-minute is good too, but I'll go with the 50. You're wrong, Mikey, about the ADX VMA from Lizard that doesn't have bands. It does. I will show you how it has bands. This is how I make all my bands. There we go. Wow. Yeah, the 50 looks good. Let me get rid of everything. Remove.
Yeah, so pretty much today you should have only been long.
Only long. Yeah, I see it. I do see it, yeah.
That's generally what I'm looking at. I use the Vidya band sometimes, but the EMA is going to work just as good.
The veggie bands? What are veggie bands?
Vidya. VID. However you spell the rest of it, I don't know.
You mean the Nvidia bands?
Vidya. VIDYA.
Vigia, the company that makes the I'm bugging you. I couldn't come up with a joke. Mikey, are you still there? I'm sure it does. I just got it. No, you don't got to dig for it. Broccoli bands, Omnius.
Broccoli bands. There you go.
Moment. Let me know and I'll show you how you make bands. You have the right one. You have the right one.
I have EMA bands, I have Vidya bands, and I have fair value gap average bands.
Whoa, we're really extended now away from the
I like all of them.
ADX. Look at that. Look how far you are from that 50 point line that I made. Hold on, I'm trying to open something and
I tried to take a trade a few minutes ago and it's like the stop loss is right there. Like, just get me out.
There you go. Can you see it?
If an 18-point stop loss is barely above the price or barely below the price, it's just time to get out.
You apply the AMA ADX, but you apply it to the high. And then you apply another one and you apply it to the low. And that's how you make bands. So yes, it's only a line, but I apply it to the high and then I apply another one to the low. 50 period. And I only show the line. I don't do the colors and all that. There's a lot of other stuff. And that's how you turn anything into bands. I do that with exponential moving averages also. I have EMA bands on all my charts almost all the time. You just apply it to the high and you apply it to the low. If you want the bands tighter, you apply one to the close and then you apply the other one to either the high or the low and you'll have even tighter bands. But it's much better than just a solid line for determining a bias and a trend change, because it's harder to change the trend when you have to get through the entire band rather than flip-flopping through one line. Because when there's one line, ooh-wee, can you get whipsawed sometimes?
I think I do have that indicator. Low. It's the ADX VMA.
Yeah. Who is Lizard Indicators? I don't even remember. Does he have a website?
You're using the standard 50?
Yeah. Why does every day have to be a bad day?
What? No day a bad day. Every day is a great day.
Yeah, every day's a bad day. Every day I got something to take care of. I have fires to put out every day. Bangs, you have 6,516 great men of God. How are you? We are good. Bless you, sir. You have 6,000 chips. That's pretty damn good. Okay, let's get back to 5 lots.
Tell them what you can do with the chips, Mike.
You can spend them enjoying your trading here. Yeah, I am enjoying my trading here. I'm really happy to see that my bot recovered spectacularly. And if I had caught the last move, we would have been really cranking it up. But, well, we'll see. We'll try and catch one more. Bangs, yeah, what can you do with the chips? You can spend them at the futuresfloor.com store, which is currently closed due to bankruptcy. We're bugging with you. You can't do anything with them. The idea is eventually to get something going with the chips. Maybe open up a store, have some merch. But right now the chip count goes way too high. What do I have? Do I even know? Like, people have millions. Look, I have 1,098,696 chips. What can I do with the chips? Can I convert them for for something. $1 a chip, that would be pretty cool, eh? Go to a casino with them, put it all on red.
You said you use 50 on those bands, right?
Yeah.
50 is too much for mine.
Yeah. Normally for scalping, I use 8 or 13. Just to let you know.
Looks like I'm gonna be at 20.
Yeah. Try 13 also. 13 I found was a really good compromise. 8 is good for aggressive scalping, to know which side you want to be on, long or short.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, you gotta personalize it. It's everything. There's no magic number.
No, think I'm more the EMA for this setup. This is the volume chart.
I don't see it on your chart though.
Because my NinjaTrader chart won't show up.
I'm back on NinjaTrader with Bullinox.
Yeah?
I don't know if I mentioned that.
They take care of you?
They did. They gave me 4 accounts. Actually, it looks like they gave me a couple extra also.
Well, glad to hear they took care of you. And once again, I'll say it. I've said it many times. I'll say it again. Once again, that's one of the reasons that we constantly promote Bullinox. They've always done the right thing. I mean,
yeah, they always come through.
There hasn't been a single time that they've told me just suck it up. You know? Don't that go a long ways with you? You know, you go somewhere, or you know people, and like certain people in your life that always do the right thing. But then certain people that maybe don't. Who are you more drawn to? Now, have they had issues? Yes. But have they always done the right thing? So far, yes.
What would you put me as? The guy that always does the right thing, or the guy that...
I'm talking about being thrown on the spot. Man, what the...
Come on, the guy that always does the right thing. That should be an easy answer. You know that by now.
I was thinking of a joke, but we'll just go with the guy that does the right thing.
I'm a good guy.
Are you a good guy to a pepperoni pizza?
Not from the perspective of a pepperoni pizza. Yesterday was pepperoni and bacon, and they really loaded the toppings. It was very good.
Sounds good.
Only thing is, the car was friggin' frozen.
Man, I cannot believe this freaking day, man. It's just going. I was thinking this morning, I was like, this market has just been not great pullbacks, just push. I was like, I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive. Fuck, man. Just give me something. Do I just jump in blindly and just close my eyes and press the button?
Well, I just put up the daily chart. Bounced off the 100 moving average. We did that 3 times now in a row. Boom, boom, and boom. So very similar.
Also, like I said, we're to the bottom of that value area range for that range. And at some of those supports.
Yeah, PDH had a couple of numbers also, but you see, like that, for me, this is the ultimate. 354, 475, 120 points away from the bands on the Renko. Let me mark that up again. Look how far away we are. Remember that flagpole is 50 points from the bands. I coded that in, so I want to know where 50 points is all the time. So it moves with the bands. It shows me where 50 points are. We're almost double it, so that's like I said, it's 120 points there. We are extended.
Yes and no. I mean, we're extended on the fast charts, but you go out to an hourly. Nice push up. Still think we get a pullback around the 400 area. We had some nice areas for pullbacks earlier. I was hoping we'd pull back to them. Never did. Get them off my chart. Now I'll be looking for the 400 area. Be a buyer. Got my Apex account. Just more pushing. Man, what do you do? How much you want to bet if I just jump in and drops?
I
can't even.
Why did I laugh like that?
Even the stop loss is just so close. I don't know what to do with it. My chart won't show. And pullback. Huh. Who would have thought? Who would have thought, Mike? Who would have thought if I jumped in with the one lot, it would pull back? Take all my money. I don't care. I'm down. It was just a joke. Golly.
No, I hate being in a bad mood.
Why in a bad mood? No. Well, shit, Mike. I told you that one spot that if I jumped in, it would pull back. Who would have thought? Every fucking time. How's it possible? Been straight up for 40 minutes, 30 minutes.
It's been crazy straight up. I hope some people really, really manage to take advantage of that.
I wish I could show you my chart. I don't think I took a tick of profit. I think I took the top.
If I would have just left TBM on its own, it would belong at 25,195, 300 points. I may have taken out more than 300 points getting in and out, but probably not, because I think I got in and out 3 or 4 times, and I take about 50 or 60 points. So, but it would have been damn impressive, because you would have seen the chart, and you would have seen my long trade all the way down there. It would have been damn impressive. Wow, I can't believe I turned it green.
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe it's green. I can't believe it's not butter.
Oh. I decided my trade was so bad, I was going to try it again. Stupid idiot.
Lizard is charging now, but there are free ones available. Yeah. Like I said, I don't know. I had it for so long. I don't even remember where I got it from. Someone sent it to me, or
apparently I got it also.
Download it off the internet. I don't know.
Go to that site for Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader ecosystem.
Yeah, maybe it was there.
Oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me.
Ninja.co. I know that's a famous site, but I don't even know if he has a website.
Okay.
I mean, I could check the code. Often in the code, it says that you're able to distribute it as long as you leave the code intact. If it says that, and somebody needs it, I'll either post it in the Discord or something. But first, I need to see that it's. I don't want to be distributing somebody else's.
Turns out that spot was a bad spot the second time also.
Without authorization. Do we got any players for today? Oh, wow. Miss K, Mikey, Skeletor, Bang.
Well, Mikey,
Bang.
if you have it, is it not working? I'm confused. I just put it on my chart. It worked fine. Okay.
He's working. He's working. My Russian friend. He's working.
Mikey, you could also try a regular EMA or a volume moving average.
Yeah.
It's really going to depend on what kind of chart you're doing. Are you doing a Renko chart? Are you doing a time chart, 2 minute, 1 minute, 30 second? Are you doing a tick chart, volume chart? All those are different EMAs are going to work better for all those charts. And how do you want the EMA to act? Renko? Okay. Well, then you'd probably want to use that one.
There's also a thread in the Discord. I think it's called the Renko Rabbit Hole or something. We were, me and a few guys were, Skeletor, I think it was you, looking at some Renko setups. Very promising, but I always get distracted. Always, it's like, I have my main system, and that's the one I rely on, and everything else is kind of, just like, almost like a hobby. Just to, to explore. And it's always the same thing. It always comes out to the results always come out to the same thing. The longer you hold for, the more you make. The tighter you put your stop, or the tighter you find your entries to where you stop out, the better your system is. The problem with me is I'm always looking to make the most trades. Like, how can I push it the hardest? The most extreme, where it's still maybe profitable, but take a trade every 2 minutes or something. That's no good. It's never good. Then I say, okay, forget it. The bigger the Renko bars, the better. The longer the period of the bands, the better. The closer your stop, or no, you're closer your entry to the bands, the better. Like, just to give you an example, Omnius, let me put up the Renko chart again. One of the systems that I always liked was adding on every continuation bar, So you add. It's great when there's a strong trend.
Mm-hmm.
You crush it. But the thing is, you have a very large position, and you got to wait to get out. When the bands, when you get under the bands, and by that time happens, like you said, when you add to winners, you end up having a losing trade.
Yeah.
So I was never able to, I didn't spend so much time on it, but I was never able to figure out where exactly do you take profit.
I never could figure out how to add to winners.
Yeah.
Everyone always says it. It sounds so good, doesn't it? Don't add to losers. Add to winners.
Yeah.
They're winners. Yeah, they're winners until it goes against you and you just added and brought your average all the way up.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not an add to my winner type of guy, I guess.
This trade started at 9:43. If we would have added, let me open it up and then go. Let's see how many times we would have added.
I think adding the winners is more of like a long-term trading thing.
Shit. Let's see the size of our position.
Like if you're trading like a 15-minute chart or something, and like you're in trades for hours.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
If anybody wants to figure out how to put a flatten everything hotkey, I got a video coming out today about it
40, 41, 42,
on NinjaTrader.
46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. You would have 51 lots now.
You ever get in a mess and you're trying to get out of trades and it's putting you in the opposite trade, or not quite sure if it got all the orders or did it leave ghost orders? Why it's important to just have a flatten everything button. So if anybody's interested, got a video coming out today. Show you all about it. Oh, it's still holding up here. I ticked the top not once, but twice. I don't think either trade took a tick of profit. I had a feeling it would just go up forever, and the very moment in time that I decided, screw it, I'll take a one lot and see if it will do. That very moment in time, it's like, nope, not today. Let's go till I watch that video. Yeah, it's a quick video. It's only like 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes, something like that. A lot of people don't know about flatten everything. Other platforms just gives it to you, but NinjaTrader hides it. I think we've all been in a situation where the chart's freezing or something. What do? You keep hitting the close button, and the chart unfreezes. You're in an opposite order somewhere else, down 50 points. When those are the moments we should be using to flatten everything. How's everybody's trading been today? These are
Mine's
almost
been good.
These are almost like range bars. Oh, the Renko?
Yeah, very similar.
I always forget about range bars.
Very, very similar. Range bars are the cousin of Renko bars, I would say.
Mikey, when it says operation failed, close the trade manually, that's when preferably you'd want to use a flatten everything, because a lot of times what happens to people is they hit the close button over and over and over, and really when you hit the close button, it's putting in the opposite trade. So if you're long, it's selling short to get you out of the trade. So then when all the dust settles, you're in some weird trade somewhere. Or even worse, you think you're out the trade, you close the platform, and come to find out you were still in a trade. Remember, the close button just puts you in the opposite trade. If you're long, it puts in a short to get you out of the trade. Flatten everything gets you out of everything. But also, if you're in say you're in NQ and gold at the same time, then it could also get you out of both of those at the same time also. Yeah, a lot of people either come back to their computer or something happens and they come back and they've blown an account. You hear a lot of people refer to it as like ghost orders or something. You didn't get all the orders cleared out, or you hit the close button, it puts you in the opposite trade. Many different things that can happen. Especially when the platforms start having issues. So if you find yourself like just pressing that close button over and over and over, that's when in your head you need to think, look, I need to flatten everything. Also, another good habit to keep is to have your control panel. There's actually a close button on your accounts on the control panel if you have it enabled. I guess it's not even really a close button. It's an exit button. I don't know what you'd call it. It says close, but I don't think it acts the same as a close button. So that's another spot. If you're getting in trouble, just go over there, hit the X. If you don't have an X, always keep those panels up. Do you have the X on yours? Listed as a close, but I don't think it works the same as the close button. Sometimes people just don't have them enabled. Just go into the settings and enable close. Funny because a lot of the other platforms, they don't even have a close button. They just have a flatten.
Okay, I'm going to take a break, refresh my coffee, put on my sweater, see what my boy is doing. I'll be back in about 5 minutes.
100 minutes. Coffee time. Skeletor, how's the trading going today? Was you brave enough to get in the trend down at the bottom? Or did you wait till the very, very tick at the top to try it like I did? Still can't believe I ticked it not only once, but twice. Still feel like it was a good trade because it came down and then it just like spiked right back up. I was like, well, obviously the buyers are still there. And I jumped back in and it's like, nope, not this time either. Busy at work, unable to trade. Yeah, Skeletor, only buy a day. No real pullbacks. So I try to just jump in with the trend and they got me. Not that big of a deal. Small loss on the Apex account. Go green across all the Bullinocks. And the evals. Debating if I want to try one more trade on the Apex account or just leave it like it is. I took a small loss last night on it also. So hoping to make that back. What can you do? Win some, you lose some. Nice push up though on the hourly. We had a really nice push from about the same area. Wednesday, 17th December. Nice strong push up. We do have a gap on the chart also from Sunday. I wonder if they're going to go for that gap. I might want to plot that if you haven't seen it already. Definitely going to be an area of interest. Another push up. I can't buy the same spot third time. Oh, nice delta. Oh God, it's gonna do it, isn't it? Y'all ever been wrong in a third same spot 3 times in a row? It wants to go. Look at all that delta. Okay, but I'm gonna go to break even. It's probably gonna stop out. Must be a large sell order right there. All those buyers, they still can't push it. Stopped out. Back. What'd I miss? You ain't missed nothing. Mike went for coffee. I took a third trade because I ain't learned my lesson yet. Tried to push up. I did go to break even though, so I didn't lose anything. Don't know about that spot. It must be a large order right there. It tried to retrace, then the buyers stepped back in. I mean, the buyers are still there. We just had this huge delta spike. I wasn't going to take that same trade a third time. I felt stupid losing the same trade 3 times. We had this huge delta spike. All these buyers came in. They were buying, but they just couldn't go anywhere. So somebody's got a large order right there to sell. But yeah, you might be right, Mikey. I mean, might be a very large seller right there. It's going to drive the price down. Just ate up all those buyers and went nowhere. Absorbed all those buyers. Now we're putting in some reversal patterns. Uh-oh, breaking out the crystal ball. I'm talking about. Drop 320, then rocket off to the weekly gap. Yeah, I was plotting that gap from Sunday on my chart. Definitely going to be an area of interest. If anybody hadn't plotted that on your chart yet, I'd certainly go do it. I know you're saying weekly gap. Let's look at the weekly. I don't see a weekly gap. Daily gap? Yeah. Nice hourly gap though on Sunday. That open. Again, buyers trying to step back in. Buyers are still here. Just large seller right there. But if we looked at Bookmap, there'd be a large sell order right there. Around that 490. There's another large order at 500. Okay, so that was probably the order then. They probably moved it up. Yeah, they had 495, 490. So there was a large order at 490, 495, and 500. The one at 500 still there.
I'm back. Slowly getting set up.
Need something like Bookmap or something. See, I'd have known that. Eddie's back, but I don't see him. Turn your camera on.
Not yet. Still getting dressed.
You're getting dressed. Well, no wonder you're cold. You're naked. Oh, also on the ES, there was large orders there as well. They had a lot of large orders. ES, NQ. Not only was they there, they had them stacked in.
Boo! Did it scare you? Okay, let's get going because I think we'll call it around 11:30ish. We'll do the giveaway, then we'll chat a bit. Sounds good, Omnius?
Well, we got 11:20. Yeah, if you want to.
Let's go back to orders. Hold on. Let's first start with Intraday. Let's do this in a intelligent manner. Cancel all orders, positions, flatten everything.
Imagine you think this guy would be if I bootlegged his stream. Put the Bookmap on mine.
Some people doing that, but yeah, you're told later to take it down eventually. Bangs, you're a real deal me in.
Theoretically, I don't think you're supposed to stream Bookmap. They used to go after all the streamers.
How long have you guys been doing this?
Oh, since about 9:20 this morning.
I don't know what you mean. If you mean trading, oh boy, look at my face. I started when I was in my early 20s.
Mike, you look good to be 28. Don't let nobody tell you different, man.
And if you mean how long have we been streaming together, well, that's an easy setup. Too long.
Too long. Oh,
Too easy to say that one. That's just an easy setup.
Now he wants to get rid of me.
Okay, let's open up the game. The game is open. Let's put in the names.
If you get rid of me, I gotta find a new streamer. It's gonna be one of those girls.
Oh boy. Then you'll have a good time. Players. Ooh, Darius. I'll put it Darius. I like Darius. That name. That name.
Trade like a pro. My eyes on this gap. Eyes on. Oh, probably gold.
Yes, it is, Bangs. This is where you get 2 balls.
Oh, yeah. Nice gap.
Control, copy. I mean, you're going to have more than 2 balls, but you're going to have double what everyone else has.
Hey, trade like a pro. It might take me, sometimes it might take me a few minutes to see your comments because I do watch 3 different comment streams, so I do apologize. One day they'll be fancy and they'll put all the comments in one section. Make our life easier.
A lot of 5 million, yeah, really? A lot of 5-minute fair value gaps to fill on the chart. We had an expansion with a bunch of clean fair value gaps.
I think he's talking about gold. Or Skeletor.
Well, and NQ did the same thing.
Yeah, a lot of gaps on the 5-minute.
Base.
Hopefully y'all got one of these cool indicators that plots all the gaps for you. Isn't that cool? $40. Yes, but they'll Bangs, did you polish your balls? We have a game sponsor. He sells ball polish. You want to put it up, Omnius, or I'll play it? Yeah. Give me 2 seconds. Trade like a pro. I'm going to put on the gold chart for you. Smooth operator. Smooth operator in today. One of our regulars has a store on actually I put up the gold chart and then I cover it. What can you do? A store on Shopify. And he's one of our sponsors. Alright, give me a second. A lot of stuff I gotta do nowadays. Gotta have sponsors, right? Gotta pay the bills. Alright, what else I gotta do? Volume? You know what? I never did a sound check when yeah, just give me just a second. It's not an easy process anymore. Yeah, take all the time you want because soon you're going to have patience with me. I think I'm going to switch to Prism. Okay. I think that'll work.
Well, guys, in the meantime, while I'm waiting for
No,
Omnius
no,
on all
right.
3 streams, I'll let you know that.
Oh, you want to play audio also? Oh, fuck.
Sure. If you guys can take a moment, it really doesn't take much effort. Give the like button a flick. It really does help the channel.
What was up?
Maybe not like right now, right today, but overall, you know, when YouTube checks how many likes there are, you know, over the last month or something, and they say, hey, you know, he's getting a good amount of likes based on his viewership. Let's push him out a little bit more. You know, it's kind of a cumulative push him out a little bit more type of thing, but it really does help. Cumulative would be appreciated. Aggregate type of thing, but it really does help. Would be appreciated.
All right, play it.
This week's giveaway game is brought to you by Smooth Operators Premium Ball Polish. When applied twice daily, your balls will be aerodynamic, frictionless, and fully optimized.
Sorry, we're starting over. Top of the game, under the game. You know, he wants to get his money worth. It was on top of the game, under the game, instead of on top of the game.
This week's giveaway game is brought to you by Smooth Operators Premium Ball Polish. When applied twice daily, your balls will be aerodynamic, frictionless, and fully optimized for this week's giveaway games. Smooth Operator wishes you all the best in today's giveaway game. But keep in mind, he's been exposing his balls to harsh market conditions his entire life. Statistically speaking, his balls remain the most consistent performers on this channel to date. And don't forget, use code SMOOTH to get a bonus tube of slippage control gel. Rubbing this on your balls once a month before non-farm payrolls is guaranteed to prevent FOMC dryness, CPI burns, and help your balls glide effortlessly into the winner's pit. May the best balls win.
Disclaimer. The product works really well, so he's not responsible for any accidents that may occur. Joker, good morning.
Okay, giveaway game. Joker, are we in? Joker doesn't even have to reply. Joker is in. Joker's earned the right. Big move coming. Joker.
Hey, while you setting up, I'll be back in just a sec.
Joker, we put you in without your permission. Okay, well, now I have your permission. Very good, very good. You take any trades today? I would figure it would be a little tough trying to catch a trade in this kind of one-way train. One win, one loss. If I was looking for reversal trades, I think I would have gotten my ass handed to me. Let me see. I would have required us to get above 25,260. Break a swing low. Once we break a swing low, we want to break a swing high. And I would have shorted there. Stopped out. Look for the next pattern. Break a swing low. Break a swing high. We got to close below a bullish candle before we close above that. No, no, no. I would have shorted there. Barely got anything. Stopped out. I would have had 2 losers. No trade there. And then I would be short. So that would be 2 losers, and I would be short at this price here. And I think that one is no. We would have gotten stopped out. Ouch. Ouch. And finally, that would have been 3 losers, and I would have been hanging on to 1 now.
All right, how are we looking?
Oh shit! Someone's here. Give me a second. I have no idea who's here.
Is it the mailman or the milk guy?
You know what I think it is? I think it's Mr. Amazon.
Are you one of the people that go out and give the Amazon guy a hug? I walked outside yesterday and this lady was dropping off a package. And like, I was busy doing something with my truck. I was trying to ignore her. Like, okay, just drop the package and go. What they normally do. No, she wanted to come over and hand me the package and talk. And oh no, I look busy. I guess she was trying to be nice. Nice little dump. Yeah, I tried. A little bit late.
Oh, my game's overheating. Oh. I did.
What happened?
Oh, Mr. Amazon, green for the day. Long got stopped. Long got stopped, wow. 200 points, yeah. 200 points, definitely. Oh, it's true. You know what? Let's put the strategy on. It'll sink into a short. I don't think you guys get to see it, but doesn't matter. Okay, so let's get it going. 3, 2, 1.
Hold on. I was trying to take a trade while you were gone.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah, I gotta make one change. This should work. Oh yeah.
Turn your camera back on.
There we go. Really? Okay, today the regular camera is working, not the cam game. It decides which one. We're gonna go with fire. Fire means you guys can actually stop out before. Oh, you know, we'll put a few more pegs just to prevent some of the stopping out before the countdown timer goes. Let's make it 260, 210.
Check.
Apply settings.
Check.
Apply setting. There we go. That'll help. That'll help slow down the amount of people that get stopped out before the counter goes. You ready to go, Omnius? No, you're not.
I'm ready.
Unless
you want to share your screen.
Yeah, that's it. I was going to say, I forgot the most important step. Discord.
You want to buy my parcel?
Shit. That really looks good. Lots of salt.
Yeah, look at all that.
That is my pretzel.
Good for you.
That is my kind of pretzel. Am I sharing anything? I don't even know. There we go.
Just, it's our secret. Don't tell my wife that I'm eating her pretzels.
Something's wrong. Oh, I know what happens. That's why the cam doesn't work. The Cam, it depends. That's a cam. We're sharing the screen. See, now it'll work. There you go. We're going to call it. Rename it so I understand. Cam. Share. Screen. Discord. Now I know what the cam is for. We're going to go with fire.
Fire,
You can count that. You can count down to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but you got to wait for all the balls to come out. It's going to be quite a while. You can go to the bathroom in the meantime. Let's go. Let's do it.
5, 4. They're already stopping out.
Yeah, I know.
I don't. Oh, there it is. 5,
There you go.
4.
You got to wait till they all came out.
2, 1. Fire. Fired. Joker's out. Skeletor's out. Future's out. Omnius. Futures. 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 Are you even trying? My God, man. Joker. Skeletor out.
Else.
Bang's out.
Omnius out.
Yeah, it flashed so fast I didn't even see it. Glad you've seen it.
Bangs.
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 Bangs with double balls. You're all gone.
Bangs, you're going to have to work on that strategy.
Got to get triple balls. You have bangs and you have bangs too. No, there's bangs 44 and
Joker's
bangs
out. Omnius out.
Who do we got that's in it here? We got Darius and Darius.
Darius
Skeletor
out.
and Miss K. Wow.
Darius
same,
is out. Darius, you got to be careful with that copy trading. Omnius is out. Oh, man. That's all Omnius?
Darius.
Who do we got? We have Skeletor, Darius, and Miss K.
He's floating in the pit. Oh, gets a good bounce. Way to go. I thought you were floating into the pit.
Yeah, watch out for Miss K. She can be vicious now.
Yeah, should go hunt you down. Just gave Skeletor a bump.
Skeletor, he's a pro, so yeah,
Skeletor
damn
got
mine.
lucky. He was floating into the pit. Go chase down Miss K.
Mikey, she cheats.
Skeletor, it's going to be a close one. Huh? He gets a bump off the. Darius is looking dangerous to stop out.
Ooh, Darius is out. Skeletor, Miss K. Oh, Skeletor. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
Skeletor, you weren't looking good either. You know what I figured out? The left side of the board's not the side of the board you want to be in. Miss K is the last man standing.
Told y'all to watch out for Miss K.
It's a sexist game. Miss K is the last man standing. There we go. The next one we'll just throw out in a burst. I'm going to get rid of all the... what are we today? We're the 21st today already. Holy shit.
Nope. We just passed
January.
We just passed Christmas, man. What are you talking about?
January is almost over.
No, it's not. Just started. Look, we just had a cold day. It's already spring outside. Look, there's a big window right there. If you can see out of it, it's freaking spring already.
Miss K, you've won 3 times during the week already. Miss K, Miss K, Miss K. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Bangs, just so that you can see your name. You got Bangs 44, and then you got someone called Bangsy. So those are your double balls in every column. Save and apply.
In Florida, we go right from fall to winter to spring in like a week.
There we go. We ready for the next one?
Let's do it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire.
Did you see Skeletor having a heart attack in the stop out pit? Whoa, the markets are dumping. Look at my unrealized. Does it even show? No. Mikey, Bangsy.
Oh, man. I should be trading this.
Yes, I know. The bot caught it.
Oh, man. All right, if I was to short this right now, I'd probably skyrocket up. I've caught the absolute top 3 times today. They're all in the same spot. Omnius is out. We got no pegs? Oh, Miss K. Out.
Miss K, Skeletor. Hey, Bangsy, you got a couple. You got Bang. Oh, well, there. Bangs 44 is out. But Bangsy, you're still hanging around there. Omnius, Futures Floor is gone. Miss K and the Skeletor again. Pure veterans who just absolutely know how to play the game. Skeletor gone.
Bangsy. Got one Bangsy in there.
Yeah, he's hanging on.
Bangsy got a fight. Put up a fight, man.
Oh, he does, because he's got Miss K and he's got Skeletor.
Uh-huh.
Remember, these balls go through some level of machine learning. Yes, the strat is killing it on this dump. It's up 421.
Miss K bounces from one side to the other, barely missing the pit.
He's just teasing everyone. Look at me! I can go really. I can go really close.
Oh, Skeletor almost.
He's always flirting with danger. Bangsy's had enough. I can't beat him. He gives up. Bangsy throws in the towel.
Bangsy, diamond hands, man. Diamond hands.
Oh, Skeletor, Omnius saved you because you were gonna float in. You were gonna do what Omnius just did.
Oh,
you
man.
bumped into him.
Skeletor and Miss K. Wasn't this the final battle last game?
It could be, yeah. Miss K, you look like you're in trouble. Oh, you probably caught 1 pixel of the post. Ping! Skeletor does a flyby, but not close enough to fit. Gravitationally pulled into the pit. And they're just both playing a game of chess right now.
Almost like Miss K's toying with them.
Yeah, waiting out. Oh, Miss K goes for a direct line for the pit.
Skeletor
says, I'll be kind. He gives it to her.
I was rooting for you, Skeletor. There she is.
Yeah, she's picking up speed. She's all excited. She's celebrating. She's taking a celebration lap.
Miss K, that was 2 in a row.
Yep. We never had a winner of 3 in a row. Miss K, if you win all 3 today, you get a bonus account. You'll still be in Friday's competition, but you'll get an account today if you can do 3 in a row. Okay, let us click on Apply Settings. Let's add a little bit of pegs. Not too many. How about let's go with 420. Guys, knock Miss K in the pit. Don't let her take an extra account from the inventory, from the bag of goodies. Apply settings. That's your account. Wow.
Guys, you're gonna have to be a little bit more vicious.
You ready on this?
What's funny is Miss K's always so nice about it too.
Yeah. I need a new account.
Like she's even nice to her nemesis. That's awesome.
You ready on this?
Let's do it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, burst.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Darius, Miss K, Mikey, Skeletor.
Mikey, you'd be a good
Bang.
winner. Come on, man.
Skeletor. I don't see a lot of Miss K's. Miss K, it's looking good for you. I don't think you stopped out once yet.
We might have to check those numbers of Miss K's that he's putting in there, huh?
There we go. First one out. Bangsy, Darius. Wow, she's still really surviving. Mikey, Omnius.
Mikey.
Really, she's nowhere near the pit.
Mikey be
She's
rubbing it
floated
in.
over. Darius. Bangsy.
Who we got?
Well, a few. I mean, she's gonna be dominating near the end, so a lot of Miss K balls are gonna find their way in just because we're pretty much full. We can end it now. It's all Miss K. There's one. Bangsy.
Miss K. Let's count these balls. How many? One. I can't count too fast.
Joker. Yeah,
I'm gonna count them as they go.
Actually, I think there's really only 2 right there still hanging around. 2 or 3. Not sure.
We got Miss K.
Miss K.
Miss K.
There's a couple of Mikeys. Oh,
Yeah.
Mikey, you just got... Wow, Skeletor, you just pushed both of Mikey's balls in the pit.
Oh, my, Mike. Guys.
Wow. And who do we have left? Skeletor and Miss K.
Oh, Miss K's out.
Yeah, we got a battle between...
Skeletor and Joker?
Yeah, we got a battle between Skeletor and Joker. Well, you know what? No, if Future's Floor makes it,
That's right.
then we rerun it. Skeletor.
Who's out?
Future's
Skeletor. So
Floor.
it's
There we
Joker.
go. Joker gets it.
Sweet.
Joker's last man standing, and then he goes in the pit. Joker didn't do a victory lap. Miss K, I tried. It was interesting.
Come down, testing VWAP.
Joker trades.
Not rigged. No, it's not
Okay.
rigged. Got to give everybody fair chances. So we have to joke around, joke about it being rigged, or else we wouldn't be having fun.
There's the balance on the... While we were playing, the bot really cashed in on that dump. Not a
Sweet.
nice move. Let's put in the... look at the 50 line. Yeah, we really got far away from the 50 line. Shine him up. Light him up. What was the song we were singing yesterday?
Hey, did you have trade like a pro in there?
Yeah. I'll check. Hold on. Oh shit, no. It'll reset. I don't think if I open the game it'll show who was in there. We'll have to watch the replay.
I have to watch the replay. He even asked about it too.
Mm.
If not, then we're gonna have to do something for him tomorrow or something.
Well, maybe we'll even do something for him today. Give me just a sec here.
Trade like a pro. You still there?
I don't think he was in it.
He even asked.
Nope.
You.
Nope. He typed in giveaway on the on your side of the fence. Yeah, you see, Omnius didn't tell me. Omnius, it's your fault.
I told you several times. So did he. But I forgot about it when the game started. We'll try. Trade like a pro. We'll try to do something for you. Remind us.
Hey, well, you don't want to run a game for him, just for him?
Yeah, we can do that. Is he still there?
Let's see if we can get him a qualifier. Yeah, he's got to be there, though. Futures, Omnius, Diet Coke, and we'll call him Pro Trader. I like changing his name.
I don't know if he's there. Might have got mad because he wasn't in the game and left. He was there all morning.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. That's not
Trade like a pro. You still there? Let us know you're there. We'll run a game for you.
just for you. All alone. Colin, trade like a pro. What's that overextended line based on? That's just a line I have drew. Blah blah blah. That's just a line I draw in that's 50 points away from the band. So it gives me an idea of when we're overextended. When we're far away from the band, we're pretty much overextended. Remember we were talking about Miss K, you earned your entries. We give him a chance to win if he's around. He left, and no big deal. It gives me an idea that it's time to take profits. Remember I said I don't have...
Yeah, I think he left. I don't know if he did ask about the game several times, so I got upset about that. Guys, we're not perfect. Let me try to do something for him tomorrow.
Yeah, if he shows up, we'll do something. So yeah, I'm just working on an idea of, like I was looking back to see how far I was measuring the extensions from the ADX, and most of them were between 50 and 70. So I said, okay, I want to be notified when we're more than 50 points away. Like right now, we're about 100 points away. Actually, we're 110 points away. So that's a pretty serious extension. So if I was short and I saw that, I would take profits. But I already clicked take profit. And what would I do to get back in? I would let it come all the way back up to this area here, and then I would click synchronize because the bot's not out. If I synchronize now, it'll put me back in the trade. The bot's not out. I just work it back and forth myself. I don't do it overnight, but okay, guys, thanks for hanging out. Again, I'll remind you, if you can, hit the like button on your way out the door. Helps boost the channel. Not right away. Don't think we need a boost right now, but YouTube looks at the likes overall, an aggregate number, and that's what helps the algorithm boost out the channel. So if you guys can hit the like button on your way out, it would be appreciated. And that's about it. I'll be on the mic tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. or earlier. And if you see the stream in the middle of the night, charts are live, the trades are live, the two people talking on the left are a recording. Don't talk to them. They won't answer you back. They can't. It's just a movie.
But if they do, let us know, okay?
And that's about it, guys. Take care. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate you all, eh?
Later, guys. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.
The trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new